Alright, so this is how you make your own camos for Modern Warfare 2. So you just want to download this file that I have in the description. Then open it up with WinRAR. And then there's going to be two files in there, just drag them into any folder and extract them. Then you're going to want to go into your Modern Warfare 2 directory where the game's installed, and you'll see a folder called main. Just open up that folder and open up the file called IW7 with WinRAR. Once you've got the file open in WinRAR, just press W and it'll bring you down to the files that start with weapon. You'll see all the ones here called weapon camo. You're going to want to start at the top one and go down to the bottom one, so start at Arctic, go all the way down to Woodland, and just drop those in the same folder that we extracted the two files from earlier in. Select all the files we just dropped in there and drag them on top of the IMG application, and then it will convert all the IWI files into PNG files. And then after it's done converting, you can select all of the IWI files and just get rid of them because we don't need them anymore, so you can just delete them. Okay, so if we go ahead in Photoshop or whatever you're going to use, you can see we've got all the weapon camos here, and then we've got what shows up in the menu when you're actually choosing the camo. So I'll go ahead and choose Red Tiger and I'll open the menu one with it. So we can see here we've got the camo itself that goes up on the weapon, and then in the other tab here we've got what shows up on the menu screen when you're choosing it for your gun. So for this video I'm just going to change the color, but you guys can do whatever you want, make your own patterns and designs and stuff. Just for the sake of this tutorial I'll just change it to orange here real quick. And then we'll go ahead and do the same thing for the menu one. And then go ahead and make sure you save both the files. So once you're done editing the files, just go ahead and select the ones that you edited, and then just drop them on top of that same program from earlier, the IMG application. It's then going to convert the PNG files back to IWI files that we can use in MW2. Then go back and open up the IW4X file that's in the MW2 main folder, and select the edited IWI files and drag them and drop them back into the IW7 folder. And then once they're in there, you can close the folder, start up your game, and your camos will be in there. Alright, so we've got our custom camo, and that wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to click like and subscribe. Thanks a bunch.